Rajendriya went to seashore and they saw windmills. They were very excited to know more about it. So I have made a windmill using Lego Renewable and SPM kit. I have used one generator, one energy meter and 6 blades. Generator is used to convert wind energy into electricity and energy meter is used to store energy. Energy is measured in joules. Let's try with 6 blades. Voltages are 4.0 and watts are 0.120. Now let's try with 3 blades. Voltages are 3.3 and watts are 0.90. 6 blades is more efficient.